After experiencing a period of extreme heat, the city of Lviv, Ukraine, was suddenly hit by a powerful weather change that brought severe storms, strong winds, heavy rain, and hail. The dramatic shift in conditions caught many residents off guard as the skies quickly turned from calm to dangerous. A powerful thunderstorm swept across several areas of Lviv, creating hazardous conditions throughout the city. While some locations only received light rain, other parts faced intense wind gusts and hail that caused damage to buildings, roads, and public facilities. The storm's force damaged infrastructure in multiple areas. Reports indicated that parts of the roof at the Shevchenkivskyi District Administration building were torn away by strong winds. Several streets also experienced fallen trees, damaged power lines, and dangerous debris carried by the storm. Residents described the wind in some neighborhoods as extremely powerful, with trees shaking heavily and appearing close to breaking. In areas such as Mazepy Street and Sheptytskykh, fallen trees and electrical disruptions were reported, creating risks for people moving through the city. Other incidents included damage to street facilities, with reports of a traffic light being affected during the storm. Heavy rainfall also caused temporary flooding in some parts of Lviv as water levels quickly increased. Local authorities urged residents to stay alert and avoid standing near trees, advertising structures, or power lines during the severe weather. Strong winds can easily bring down unstable objects and create unexpected dangers.
Впало дерево, і от сюди фахівці по газону об'їжджають.